Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're unboxing and trying on the alosoft finesse long sleeve shirt. Now this is probably the softest white long sleeve shirt I've ever tried on, and I have felt it a few times in the store and always walked past it, and I finally caved and picked one up. With all of the flashy designs and colors that Alo releases, it's always kind of difficult to convince myself that this day I'm going to pick up a rather basic item. Of course, that being said, a white long sleeve shirt will absolutely go with any outfit or any legging, even as an overshirt like I have tried on here. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out, and you can get an idea for the fit. Hopefully for the feel, it is the softest, truly, that I've ever tried. I do like the placement of the aloe hit on the left arm, and I really loved that they also included little thumb holes. I thought it was a really nice touch and kind of elevated this shirt all together. Of course, they disappear if you don't want to use them, so that is always a plus as well. Now, I usually wear an XS in the ribbed Seacoast t-shirts, and in this one I picked up an S, so I do recommend maybe sizing up. I have washed it a few times and it does seem to have held up, and the size stays true even after the washer and the dryer. So hopefully that's all helpful information for you in your purchasing decisions. If you made it this far in the video, please be sure to leave an emoji in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.